A Tesla Cybertruck owner rented out his truck on Turo for $500 a day. However, the client returned his truck wrecked with $28,000 worth of damages. The driver is accepting responsibility, but the truck will be out of commission for 2 to 3 months. The estimate is $28,000 in 7 weeks for repair. Tesla took 3 weeks to sort out the estimate. The hard plastic trim over the passenger side wheel is completely shredded. The stainless steel panels over the wheel are dented. The powered frunk is deformed, and the light bar has a crack. Overall, the vehicle is in bad condition. The person who rented the truck has agreed to out-of-pocket reimbursement to avoid his business manager knowing he crashed Cybertruck. He has already started paying toward the $9,000 a month that was agreed. It's surprising that the client does not want to involve his insurance provider and pay the entire $28,000 out of pocket.